Now we have already installed Windows 2016 Server VM and Windows 10 VM. Now we want to perform workgroup networking. So in our case, we are going to give to our Windows 2016 server this IP address 172.24.0.16, and to Windows 10 system we are going to give the address 172.24.0.10, and mask we are going to say 255.255.0.0. Here also we are going to give this mask. Now since mask is 255.255.0.0, that means this systems will have the network 172.24. This will also we have the network 172.24. That means they will be in networking. Then we have to give some name to this system. So in our case, we are going to give name C16 to our Windows 2016 server and C10 to this. You can give any name. And we are going to specify the workgroup as net. Again, here you can specify anything. So on any Windows operating system, it is not that only it is if you are doing the networking of 2016 server and between Windows, any window operating system, you need to make 4 settings. Then they will be in networking. What are those changes? You have to change the IP address, mask, computer's name. Then you have to specify the workgroup. The OS can be your 2016 server, 12 server, 2008, 2003, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, XP, any operating system. We need to make those 4 changes. Those systems will be in networking. So in our case, what we will do, we will go to both system individually, Windows 2016 and Windows 10. Then we will give the address according to our requirements. So we will be looking at that, how to give those addresses and what are the other setting you have to make.